On the same day, a Northwest Illinois church filed a federal lawsuit accusing Gov. J.B. Pritzker of religious discrimination. The governor's office released a modified stay-at-home order that expressly allows Illinois residents to leave their homes, to engage in the free exercise of religion.
According to the executive order signed Thursday, religious practice is now considered a permitted essential activity, provided that such exercise must comply with social distancing requirements and the limit on gatherings of more than 10 people in keeping with CDC guidelines for the protection of public health.
The governor's order encourages religious communities to worship via online or drive-in services in order to follow these rules.
The goal of the new stay-at-home order is to continue protecting the health and safety of all Illinoisans, while working with medical experts to ensure people throughout the state can continue to participate in worship services, Pritzker spokeswoman Jordan Abudaya said in a statement Friday.
The governor's initial order, which took effect March 21, did not list religious services as an essential activity.
While most Illinois churches will still be prohibited from holding standard services because of their size, the governor's support of drive-in services marks a departure from his previous concerns about the car-bound format.
During his daily news briefing on April 15, the governor said that even with drive-up services, people end up parking very close to each other, opening their windows. It's as if they're sitting in pews very near to each other. And so it turns out that that is one way to spread COVID-19, and we want to avoid that.
The Beloved Church, a roughly 80-person congregation in the town of Lena that filed the federal complaint Thursday, has announced it will still move forward with its lawsuit. The Evangelical Church and its pastor, Stephen Castle, are being represented by the Thomas More Society, a conservative public interest law firm in Chicago.
It was offensive to call churches and religious practice non-essential, and so we've, at the very least, reversed that. And that is a big win, said Peter Breen, one of the lead attorneys representing the Beloved Church. The church and its attorneys did not receive advance notice from the governor's office about the added religious freedom language before the extended stay-at-home order was released, he said.
Breen is running as the Republican nominee for state representative in the West Suburban 48th District. He previously held the seat until losing in 2018 to Democratic Representative Tara Costa Howard, who is seeking re-election.
Tribune reporter Dan Petrella contributed.
Ayers-Brown at ChicagoTribune.com